Welcome back, guys. Turn 4 Automotive Performance YouTube channel. I am Bob Guptill, owner here at Turn 4 Automotive. Today we're going to show you how to change your HKS mushroom filter element. So we put on this HKS cold air intake about 10,000 kilometers ago, or a month and a half. Seems I've been driving it every single day and taking long trips with it. This filter is looking kind of dirty. It's sucked in quite a bit of dirt and oil so far. So we're going to go ahead and take this filter off. We have a new genuine HKS element. If you need genuine HKS parts, feel free to give us a call at Turn 4 Automotive Performance. We are an HKS dealer, so we will get you the actual HKS parts from Japan and not these remade eBay or no-name parts that have different foam in them and can really mess up your turbos and engines. So genuine HKS 2-stage wet filter is going to go on this. We have a brand new one in the package. We'll show you the package so you know genuine HKS parts. We'll show you how to take this off and put in the new filter media. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, comment, subscribe. Help us out with those YouTube algorithms, guys. We really need those likes and comments to come through. That really helps us push our videos up. And here we go.